Hi everyone, Tracy here with CocoCon Essential Oils, continuing our mini-series on ginger essential oil. And I'm going to do a quick video for you on a sore throat rub recipe. We're going to use sunflower oil as our carrier oil, and then we're going to use ginger, sandalwood, and red mandarin essential oils. Sandalwood has an affinity for the throat. It's amazing for sore, tickly throats. As is the ginger, as we've talked about in our previous mini-series videos on ginger. And then red mandarin is also very supportive for that. So first what we're gonna do is get a 1 ounce bottle. I'm making a smaller batch. Of course, you can double or triple this recipe. But this is a 1 ounce PET plastic, or you can use a 1 ounce glass bottle. You wanna use PET plastic, which is on the bottom of the bottle. It's in the triangle as a number 2. That's the only plastic that does not interact with essential oils. And the safe one to use to make your essential oil or aromatherapy blends. So we have a little funnel, we have our 1 ounce container, I have a tablespoon, and we're gonna measure 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil into our bottle. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch that up a bit. Let's do 1 tablespoon first. Then next we're going to add our essential oil drops, and then we'll add our last 1 tablespoon of sunflower essential oil, and that will auto mix the blend, so you won't even have to shake it. So I'm going to set my funnel aside. I'm laying it inside the tablespoon so it's not touching anything dirty maybe on the counter that I missed. And it's a real simple recipe. It's 5 drops red mandarin essential oil. 5 drops ginger essential oil, and last but not least, 5 drops of sandalwood essential oil. And sandalwood comes from the trunk of the tree. It takes 30 years for the tree to produce an oil. That's one of the reasons why sandalwood is a more expensive oil. And it teaches us patience too. It's a little thicker. And there's your 5 drops of sandalwood. And then to top it off, we're gonna add our last 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. I like to use sunflower, cold pressed of course, or unrefined sunflower oil, because it has some respiratory supporting problems, or respiratory supporting properties. So it's a good carrier to use for any respiratory blends, cold and flu chest rubs or sore throat rubs. And then you just take your funnel out, put your cap back on, and you can shake it or not. You'll want to get a little label of some sort. You can even, just get one at the dollar store or Walmart. Write what your blend in here is and the date. Put a piece of tape over it so that it doesn't wear off with water or just over time. That way you know what it is for the future. So that is our sore throat rub recipe with ginger, sandalwood, and red mandarin essential oils. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.